Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're talking about blurring faces in YouTube. A couple years ago I did a video of how to blur all faces in YouTube and then custom blurring. But there's a new custom blurring, and Tony Vincent just put a tweet out the other day and I took a look at it. So if you go ahead into the video, what you want to do, there's my son eating some chocolate. Select enhancements. And what you want to select is blurring effects. When you select blurring effects, you still have the option to do some custom blurring or blur faces. When you select edit, it does take about, well, it depends on the video, could take up to a minute or so. Since I did this previously, it just came up right away, but it may take about a minute for the faces to be recognized. So you go ahead and select which person you would like to have their face blurred. Go ahead and you can see.
How's that ice cream? Jack, how's your ice cream?
So you can see my daughter's face isn't blurred, but my son's is. If you want to reverse it, or you want them both to be done, you can go ahead and, so now Jack is not, but Sid's face is. And if you want them both blurred, you can select that. Not really sure what this is recognizing here, but if you select play.
How's that ice cream? Jack, how's your ice cream?
So both faces are blurred. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks again. Take care. Bye-bye.